Hello guys out there, thank you for joining me here. If you are looking for a way to make money this very year 2023, there is a super way that you can do it, and even without having a product on the internet. And the best way you can do it is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way that you can sell another people's product and make a commission for yourself, which will be very much valuable for you to gain more profit, even according to how you are able to seek a very selling good product on internet. And that is what I bring unto you, so that you can follow me on this my YouTube channel while I bring you more of it.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass.
If this is the first time you are joining me on this my YouTube channel, kindly do me a favor by going below this my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button there, so that anytime I'm dropping a valuable video like this, you can be among the first to receive it, even while it is out. First and foremost, it is very important to understand what affiliate market is all about. It is a performance based on marketing strategy that you can perform on internet, where a business reward is affiliate for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate who owns the market and make their effort or pay their effort by the commission they make. To start your affiliate marketing journey in this 2023 in Nigeria and even at Africa at large, in first step, it is very good for you to find a niche for yourself in the industry that you are passionate about. That means there are so many things that you can be passionate about to sell, like you know how to sell clothes, you know, even so many things. There are services even that you can render, that you can do an affiliate for. But the best thing is that you find what you are passionate about, either the football niche you will take, or you take a digital product, and so on and so forth. These are many more that you can choose from. This will make it easier for you to create content and find the right product or services to promote. This is very important for you. Once you have identified your niche, the next step is to choose a platform to start with. There are so many numbers of platforms available, but some are very popular, and which you might not know. And this is why I want to mention few out of them all that are still present in Nigeria. Number one, Jumia Affiliate. This is one of the most popular affiliate programs in Nigeria. It gives you access to millions of products to promote and wide range of tools to help you succeed in this in the industry. I mean affiliate marketing. Number two is Konga Affiliate. This is another popular affiliate program in Nigeria that has a wide range of product and service to promote. This is also a very phenomenal platform that you can start having your product and sell it onto people while you take commission for your product. Another platform is Payport Affiliate. This affiliate offers a wide range of products and services to promote, including the physical and digital product, as well as services. And one of the best that has come this time is Ziba, which I am particularly introducing to you, which has a very wide range of success. Let me call it Amazon of Africa. Is going to be the biggest affiliate platform that you have ever seen in Africa. But I'm still coming over this. Ziba has come to stay, and it has brought a very phenomenal product that can make you succeed, especially in this very new year 2023. If you're looking for a way to succeed on the internet, I think these are best places that you can choose for yourself to start with. Once you have chosen a platform to start with, the next step for you is to go and sign up and start promoting products or services. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as creating content, building a website, or using your social media. These are platforms that you can start, or the way you can start promoting this product, and it can go a very long way for you. Before you know it, it's going to make you a wholesome money that you have never generated from any of your work that you have been doing. It is also important to remember that being an affiliate marketer, you require consistent work and learning. Keep updating your knowledge and skills to stay ahead of your curve. By following this step, you can start your affiliate marketing journey in 2023 in Nigeria, even in Africa at large, and find success in this existing and dynamic industry. I wish you a good luck. This is a good platform you can start with. You don't need to create a product or have any services for yourself before you can make a good money on internet. And that is why I am introducing to you a good platform called Ziba. In the description of this video, kindly go there and see the links that are there, which will lead you to how you will start this year. Just sign up and make your journey start on internet to make a huge for yourself on internet, and it's going to be well with you. I wish you good luck once again. My name is Sonfoga Richard Olusegun, aka Olu Richard. I am an entrepreneur, infopreneur, digital marketer, and super affiliate. I am documenting my journey on internet.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass.